Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. This is a 7-passenger V6 minivan in black, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features includes your heated mirrors, power sliding doors, along with a power liftgate and roof rails. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. This Chrysler also has a power liftgate and automatic sliding doors. We're going to take a look in the driver's side first. You also have heated mirrors with this Chrysler. Right up top, you have your power windows, locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. You have a little bit of storage space on the bottom of the door and a little storage compartment in the middle there. You have this nice wood grain trim that does run along the entire vehicle. Now this Chrysler comes equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons, and on the top you also have a power moonroof. We have our key fob here. We're going to start this Chrysler up. And we're always going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now we're going to start on the left side. Here you'll find your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. You also have these arrows and you can navigate through your multi-information display. And up here in the odometer you can see you have 112,047 kilometers with this Chrysler. Back on the steering wheel on the right side you have your cruise control settings. Moving on to our entertainment display, right now we are on the map screen. This vehicle does have navigation. Now if we go into radio, you can see every standard AM and FM options, and you can also connect your phone through Bluetooth.
You connect phone, ready.
Okay, we're gonna cancel that. Going down into reverse, there's that backup camera for you as well. You also get these nice guidelines. Looking at our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also have your driver and passenger heated seats right in the center there, and you'll also have a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you'll find your Blu-ray player. We can open this piece up and you'll find your 12-volt outlet. You also have some storage space and cup holders, and we could slide this back piece too as well, giving you that extra storage space. Like I mentioned, this Chrysler does have power sliding doors, so we can hold that button on our key fob and that door will open, or you can just pull on the handle and that opens up just as easy. Now you can see we are continuing with the black cloth seating. Move a little closer, behind the front passenger and driver seats you have these little extra storage compartments. Up top you will find your screen. Now the second row seating does fold down. We're just going to pull on this little handle here. The seats collapse, giving you access to your third row seating. You can see even behind the third row seating there is still plenty of cargo space. You have this little storage compartment on the left side. Now the third row seating does fold down. We got these little numbered handles. We're gonna do the first one for the headrest, and then the second run, and then we pull the third one, and then we pull the fourth one, and the seat goes folding right in there. Like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold down as well. That will give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Town & Country. Once again, some of those great interior features includes your heated steering wheel, along with driver and passenger heated seats, navigation, and a power moonroof. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.